Welcome to Let's Talk Tech. My name is Ray Cannon, and I'm the Tech Integrationist at New Code Academy, grades K through 8. This week, let's take a couple of minutes to continue our talk about computer science. As we continue Think Like a Computer Scientist Month, you might hear words like abstraction and debugging, and are wondering, what are these? And how do I help my students to use these? As you may remember, our computer science program isn't just about programming, but a way of thinking that can be transferred to anything a student chooses to do. So when we are talking about abstraction, we're talking about removing unnecessary detail. Wow! Talk about an amazing skill for children to learn. It is easy to get caught up in all the unnecessary details, and for children can be a significant cause of frustration. But by learning to reduce the clutter, they can pare down the problem to the essential details and then work through it more efficiently. When kids play video games, how do they sort through all those bright, flashy objects to find the goal of the game? They learn to realize that to solve the game, they need to tune out the distraction and focus on what is needed to get the job done. Of course, video games are not the only way to learn this skill. Take a table, for example. Ask your child, what makes a table a table? Does it have to be made out of wood? Does it have to have a certain number of legs? Can your student weed out the unnecessary elements to determine the essentials of a table? Then we get to debugging, which is finding and fixing errors. When your child performs a task, like putting on their shirt, what do they do when they put their shirt on inside out? Would they leave the shirt that way? Or would they notice that their shirt is inside out and put it back on right side out? When doing a math problem and they learn they did not get the question correct, have them go through the question step by step and see if they can find what they did incorrectly, and then fix the error. Make a game out of it. Purposely misspell a word and then challenge them to find and fix the mistake. Learning to think like a computer scientist through abstraction and debugging gives children tools to solve their own problems by removing the excess or by finding and fixing errors. Both skills can help students persevere when things get tricky and can prevent them from getting frustrated when things don't go right the first time. Again, computer science is not about programming or just about programming, but it's a way of thinking that will benefit them no matter what they choose to do in life. Next week, we'll explore 2 more computer science skills. If you have questions about our computer science program here at New Code Academy, you can always contact me at rcannon@isd271.org, or you can message me through Seesaw. Just look for Ray Cannon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next week.